Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a little different but equally exciting. The Rain Cloud Humidifier Water Drip Aromatherapy Diffuser. This adorable little gadget is not just a humidifier but also an essential oil diffuser, a night light, and a stress-relieving rain cloud simulator. Sounds amazing, right? But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out in this in-depth review. By the end of this video, you'll know if this rain cloud humidifier is the perfect addition to your home or bedroom. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the unboxing experience. The Rain Cloud humidifier comes in a simple, eco-friendly box. Inside, you get the humidifier itself, a USB cable, a user manual, and a small measuring cup for water. It's a straightforward package, but the real magic is in the design. Now let's talk design. This humidifier is shaped like a cute little cloud, and it's made from high-quality BPA-free plastic. The water drip feature mimics rain falling from the cloud, which is not only functional but also incredibly soothing to watch. It's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for your bedroom, office, or even your kids' room. Next up, let's talk functionality. The Rain Cloud humidifier is a 3-in-1 device. It's a humidifier, an essential oil diffuser, and a night light. The humidifier uses ultrasonic technology to create a fine mist which helps to increase humidity levels in your room. This is especially great for dry climates or during winter months. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oils to the water tank, turning it into an aromatherapy diffuser. It's perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere, whether you're meditating, working, or just winding down after a long day. And let's not forget the night light feature. It has multiple color options and you can set it to a single color or let it cycle through all the colors. It's soft and calming, making it ideal for bedtime or creating a cozy ambiance. The standout features of this humidifier is the water drip effect. It mimics rain falling from the cloud and it's incredibly soothing to watch. It's not just for show, the dripping water helps to create a more realistic rain-like atmosphere, which can be very calming and stress-relieving. Now let's talk performance. The Rain Cloud humidifier has a 300 mAh water tank, which lasts for about 6 to 8 hours on a single fill depending on the mist setting. It's super quiet, so it won't disturb your sleep or work. The mist output is adjustable, so you can control the humidity level in your room. It's powered by a USB cable, so you can easily plug it into your laptop, power bank, or any USB adapter. The lack of a built-in battery is a bit of a downside, but it's not a deal breaker considering its other features. Alright, let's break it down. The pros: adorable design, 3-in-1 functionality, humidifier, diffuser, night light, soothing water drip feature, and quiet operation. The cons: the water tank is a bit small and it doesn't have a built-in battery. So who is the Rain Cloud humidifier for? If you're looking for a cute multifunctional device that can humidify your room, diffuse essential oils, and create a calming ambience, this is a great choice. It's especially perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or anyone who loves a little bit of whimsy in their life. That's it for this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more awesome gadget reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you pick up the Rain Cloud humidifier? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.